Hello guys. Hello guys again. My name is Mary. African. Mary. M-A-R-Y. Mary African. Yeah. Not dot, Mary African. I'm happy because God is good. Okay. Can you come with my YouTube channel? I'm Girl Mary. This is my salon. But for now I'm here with the daughter. Three daughters here. Kujeni waambie. Kuja wote. Unaitwa nani? Sumji. Wow. It's a very nice name. Na wewe kwa sauti unaitwa Harmony. Wewe ndio Harmony. Na wewe Fabian. Wow, it's a very nice name. So sai tuende tukule bajia, si ndio? Ama sambusa. Tukule nini? Tukule sambusa. Wow. Tutaenda, si ndio? Okay, with my friend here. Can you say hi to the camera? Hi guys. What's your name? Can you repeat? I'm Florence Kwamboka. Florence Kwamboka. Yes. Wow. What's your business? I'm working here. Hotel here. Yeah. And you, what's your name? Hey, see this guy. You. Can you wake up?
Hi. Hi guys. My name is Alicia Gatti. I'm a salonist. Welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you come and show your hotel? Okay. Hey guys. This is my mother's friend. Can you say hi? Can you say hi to the camera, baby girl? Hi. Hi. What's your name? My name is Mommy, can you say hi to the camera? Right. Hi. Okay, what's this? Tell me. Okay, hii ndio nakupea kipato. Okay. Unashonea client nguo. Okay. And my mom is here. Can you say hi to the camera, Mama?
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Maggie.
Maggie. Why this hair is dirty?
I don't have money.
Oh. Okay, can you?
I need
the money.
I need money. More money.
Yeah.
I need money.
Okay. That is good. Bye bye. Can you go with your hotel? Wow, this is a hotel.
Nice hotel.
Yeah.
I all welcome you here. We have all the food you want. Please guys, come and eat here. Bye.
You are cooking meat all cheap or cheapo.
Chips,
Yeah.
rice, cabbage, viazi, mishkaki there. Everything.
Everything.
Yes.
Okay. And the soda.
Okay, for now, we don't have soda. We have some other things here. As you can see, we have some foods.
Okay.
But our fridge is empty, as you can see. Nothing inside.
But for now, I will need soda to drink.
No, we don't have soda for
Okay,
now.
I can buy it yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So, me want to go to tembea to walk. Can you call this daughter, this son? Nitie watoto twende. Kujeni twende. Yeah, I have 3 kids here. Yeah. This is cute.
Uko na pesa?
Hello.
Ndio hapo. Hata hivi kuna tena unafanya. Toa yangu kwanza. Toa hapo.
Meshemu. I want to go to buy samosa. I need sambusa. Hakuna sambusa. Joni yake. Niekea tu. Yeah. Kando kando. Yeah.
Mnakuja naye.
Sawa.
Wewe pita. Wala isa kurumalo. Kopo. Anong gusto ka sa mungkora tiju ati samu semu pita. Mungkora. Bwana mungkora pa yugi gichicha.
Utamwaga.
Mana daddy?
Okay, what's your name? My name is Eunice. From? This is your business. Okay. And you, madam, I will see you. Very soon. Can you talk with you? Vincent. Talk with you. Si nimekupea cha tu. I'm with my daughter here. It's in buy samosa. Yeah. Kuja twende. Who? Yeah. With a spoiled daughter, not you. Yeah. Kuteni tukule sasa samsa. These guys. I'm from buying samsa. James seme asante adi. I'm saying asante. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Share, subscribe, and you can help me. Yeah, my YouTube is charity. Me, I can make almost charity. Yeah. Charity is my YouTube channel. So come to my YouTube, share and comment. So I will meet you again. Bye. Remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.